I know many people want to try this type of channel because these kinds of videos are going viral these days. Just take a look at this channel and watch a few of their videos first. The concept is very simple but amazing. The idea is to place a small camera on an animal and show the POV of the animal going to its home or moving through its natural environment. That's it, simple, but extremely engaging. If you check the channel's analytics and views, you will see something interesting. Many of their videos have millions of views, and even their smaller videos easily get thousands of views. I know many of you are worried about one problem. Most free AI tools only allow you to create 6-second or 8-second videos, which makes it difficult to create longer content. But today I promise you something different. Today I will show you how you can create unlimited videos in HD quality without any watermark, and you can even create videos longer than 1 minute. Yes, you heard that right. Unlimited videos. All you need to do is follow me step by step, and I will show you the exact process. Just come into ChatGPT, and don't worry, you don't need any complicated prompts. I have already prepared a prompt file for you. You can easily download it from the comments section or from the description. Once you download it, simply copy the prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and press enter. After that, ChatGPT will automatically show you many character options, such as snake, lizard, and many more animals. You can choose any one of them. You can even type a different animal name if it is not included in the list. For example, I chose blind snake. I simply typed blind snake, and ChatGPT generated section-wise prompts automatically. The prompts are structured step by step. First, the animal gets a tiny camera attached, then it moves toward its burrow, enters the hole, and eventually reaches its underground home where it interacts with other animals. The whole concept is very interesting and engaging. Now, I know many of you are worried about two major problems: creating longer videos and maintaining a consistent character. But don't worry, today I will solve both of these problems, and I promise that by the end of this guide, you will know how to create long videos with consistent characters easily. Just keep watching and follow the steps carefully. Now, the next step is to go to the Grok AI website. I know what many of you are thinking right now. You might be thinking that this tool only creates low-quality videos and only generates 6-second clips. Because of this, many people ignore the tool. But the truth is completely different. Most people simply don't know how to use it properly. Let me show you how it actually works. First, I paste the first prompt into Grok AI and generate the video. As you can see, it creates a 6-second video. At first, it looks like that's the maximum length. But here comes the important part. Click on the 3 dots next to the video. When you click them, you will see an option called Extend Video. Now click Extend Video, paste the second prompt, and wait a few seconds. Now the magic begins. The video is no longer 6 seconds. It becomes 12 seconds long, and the best part is that the character remains completely consistent. The movement continues naturally, and the environment also stays the same. Next, I click Extend again and paste the third section prompt. Wait a moment while it generates. You can even take a sip of tea while waiting. Haha, just joking. Now look at the result. The video becomes 18 seconds long, and the consistency still looks amazing. The character continues the journey smoothly from the previous scene. Then I extend the video again, and now it becomes 24 seconds long. Once again, everything remains perfectly consistent. Don't worry, later I will also show you how to convert the final video into full HD quality. For now, I generate the full video using all 6 section prompts. As you can see, the snake character stays consistent in every stage, and everything connects smoothly, like one continuous scene where the animal goes into the hole and meets its family underground. I tested this method multiple times by extending the video step by step, and every time the character consistency remained perfect. Honestly, the final result looks really impressive and realistic. Now I want to test another thing. Here, there is no lizard character available in the list, so I simply type I, choose the lizard topic. After that, ChatGPT automatically generates the stage-wise prompts for the lizard. Now I go back to Grok AI again. Here you can also see another option called upscale. This option is really amazing, and the best part is that it is completely free. Using this feature, you can convert your video into HD quality without paying anything. Just look at the HD logo here and check the result. The quality looks really impressive. Now I try the next video using the lizard character. First, I paste the prompt and generate the video. As you can see, the first part of the video is ready. Then I go back to ChatGPT, copy the next section prompt, and return to Grok AI again. And now the magic starts again. The 6-second video becomes 12 seconds, then the 12-second video becomes 18 seconds, and step by step you continue extending the video using each prompt section. By doing this one by one, your complete video will be ready. And trust me, these types of videos have a very high chance of going viral within a few days because people love watching animal POV content. I created this channel and guide to help you. So if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.